MIHIRA, your hip pain is likely due to a combination of factors, including muscle weakness, tightness, and potential joint inflammation. We'll focus on strengthening the core and hip muscles to improve stability. Gentle stretching exercises will help increase flexibility and reduce stiffness. Applying heat or ice can provide temporary relief, depending on the nature of your pain. It's important to maintain good posture and body mechanics to prevent further strain on your hip.
Will these exercises help with the pain I feel when walking?
Absolutely, Mihira. Strengthening the muscles around your hip will provide better support and reduce the stress on the joint. We'll gradually increase the intensity of the exercises as your strength improves. It's also important to wear supportive footwear and avoid activities that exacerbate the pain. Yes, MIHIRA, these antibiotics are specifically chosen to fight the infection that's causing the severe response in your body. Antibiotics are prescribed to help your body fight off infections caused by bacteria. They work by either killing the bacteria directly or preventing them from multiplying further, giving your immune system the support it needs to regain control and begin healing. Once the antibiotics begin to take effect, many people start noticing an improvement in their symptoms, perhaps a reduction in fever, less discomfort, or more energy. However, this improvement doesn't always happen immediately, and that's okay. The body often needs time to recover fully, even after the infection itself is brought under control. Recovery is usually gradual. You might feel better one day, and then a bit tired or achy the next, which is a common pattern as your body heals. This is why rest plays such a vital role. Giving yourself the space and time to slow down allows your body to direct its energy toward healing. Try to avoid rushing back into your usual routine too soon, even if you start to feel better. MIHIRA, throughout this time, it's also important to complete the full course of antibiotics exactly as prescribed, even if your symptoms have improved. This helps ensure that all the bacteria are cleared and reduces the risk of the infection coming back or becoming resistant to treatment. If you have any concerns about how you're feeling during recovery or about the medication itself, such as side effects or whether it's working, please don't hesitate to speak up. Your comfort, safety, and confidence in your care are just as important as the treatment itself.